Ever feel like something ain't right? Like you're awake, but still asleep? Every day blends into the next. Same place, same face, same loop. Deep down, you know, something's off. Wake up. Work. Scroll. Repeat. They gave you comfort to keep you quiet. You chase likes while they chase control. Noise, ads, distractions, they'd planned it all. They built a world around you one you never questioned. But one day, something flickers. A crack in the mirror. A pause in the feed. You see through the noise. The truth creeps in, raw and unsettling. That's not a glitch, it's your awakening. You take off the headset, eyes finally open. Step outside, feel the sun like it's brand new. The air hits different when it's real.